Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project, temperature converter, where we'll write it like Celsius and it will convert to Fahrenheit. So okay, let's start. So let's first of all write print welcome to temperature converter. Next, let's create a new variable called choice equals input convert from C and F. And then dot upper and brackets. Next we have to do is just create a new variable called temperature. Temp equals float input enter set temperature. Yep. And next you have to write an if choice equals Celsius. Then we have to result equals, open up the brackets and write temperature temp multiply by 9.5 close the brackets and plus 32 and print. You have to print like temperature is like C Celsius equals result to F, and then we just write F. Next we write elif choice equals F like Fahrenheit. It has to be in the string. Yep. Next result, like we have to do the opposite. Temperature minus 32 multiply 9 and print temperature F equals result colon, like the last time, dot to F, and then we write C Celsius, and then we write else print write S or F. Okay, now let's save it up, guys. Now let's run it. Convert to C, enter the temperature 434 34 equals 93.20 Fahrenheit. So okay guys, this was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.